What's up guys, welcome back in our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer crypto from Coinswitch to Binance. So there are a number of steps here that you need to do to make the transfer. So first is you want to log in both accounts. So open the Coinswitch app and go to the wallet section, then log in into your Binance account. Now if you don't have one, create it and complete any required ID verification. Now, you might also need to get your Binance deposit address. Now to do that, you want to go to Binance, go to your wallet and tap deposit. Now choose the same cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now Binance will generate a deposit address here, copy it carefully and make sure the crypto type and network matches what you're sending from Coinswitch. Now next is you want to go back to Coinswitch here, tap crypto that you want to transfer, then click send or withdraw. Now paste the Binance address into the recipient field, enter the amount that you want to send. Now, also double check the address and the amount here. Review the network fee, or if it actually varies for per coin. So tap send or confirm to initiate the transfer. Now, transfers may take a few minutes or to an hour depending on the network congestion. So you can track the status using the blockchain explorer. So once complete, check your Binance wallet for the updated balance. In this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.